Okay, guys, so today we are here to learn about folders editing, how to um, do some settings on the folder so people who will get access to it, and if possible, make it not visible on the screen so that only you know that I have a folder here. So let's dive in faster. So with that, you create a folder, new folder. Okay, so let's name it new folder 4. Let's see how. Let's see something in it. So let's create something here. Let's see a text document. Okay, I'll save it. So we have something saved in this folder. Alright. So we want to make some editings. So we come to properties. This is our folder. The date it was created, which was today, 11th August 2024. This is my time. Alright, so we come to sharing. Sharing is like this at this part, people who have access to the folder. Do you get it? So network part on the network, then you can search people on the network. Let's see, this is the name, the owner of the folder. So you can have another people on the network who will have access to it. So that you just search them. Not on this, I'm not connected to any network. You just search them here and you add them to click on set, and they will have access to it. And then you can come to advanced sharing. Advanced sharing is you can click on share folder name, then like the number of users who will be using the folder at a go. Yes, you limit it. Let's say at a go, I will allow, let's say, 4 people to use it at a go. Then you click on OK and then you apply. Sorry. So security wise too, you'll give permissions. Yes. So the security will edit, let's say, so people or users on the network or people who you want them to use this folder, you change permission, you edit. So if you click on the person's name, then you give them permissions. So that's full control. You just untick it. So let's say you want them to modify the folder, read and execute, or list folder content. These are instructions. Yes, you will give it to them. So here we want to just untick everything because you don't have anyone giving a restriction. But if you want to do for a folder, that's what you do. Then you will get to, let's check advanced. I think something here. Yeah, advanced here, sharing, editing. Yes. They are all ways of doing it in previous versions. And then customers, at least, have you seen that you want to change the folders icon? In this instance, click on change icon. Then you can choose any. You have a lot of icons. A lot, I repeat, a lot. So if you want it to show something that even those who have access to the machine even know, that's what you do. Because at times when people see this kind of signs, they will say, oh, this is a folder. But you can choose a different thing. You can even use a recycle icon or something, and to confuse them, they don't even know, oh, you have a folder there or something. So in this case, I'll use this for this icon. So I click on OK, apply. So you see, this is a folder, but it will be. So let's rename it and see something. Okay, let's do it FL. So it is very confusing for new users who comes on your machine to even see this is a folder. So they'll be like, oh, I can't see any folder on it. Meanwhile, that is a folder. So it is a way to trick your users, confuse them so that they won't even. Also, you can even use this format to save your important files and stuff. You just leave it there. People will just come on your PC and stuff, but they will never even identify you have a folder or two about it. Thank you very much for today.